I'm going to be reviewing this metal detector.
It includes a multifunctional shovel, rain cover, headphones, carrying case, and instructions. It's rechargeable and can even be used while charging using a power bank. So this is how you turn it on. You hold the button down, comes on. You hold this down, you can light it up. Awesome. AM means all metal mode, so it'll search for all those metals. Disk means you can search, you can start eliminating things from left to right. So I just eliminated iron, I can eliminate nickel, aluminum, zinc. So the next mode's notch, and this you can choose what to eliminate. By pushing the plus, you can go over if you want to get rid of zinc, just let it hover, it will delete it. If you want zinc back, push it until it's done blinking, it comes back. But if you push it, let it disappear, and then if we want to eliminate aluminum too, you can. You can do that with multiple. Just eliminate what you don't want. If you want it back, you just gotta wait for it to quit blinking. It's back. Go to the next one, let it quit blinking. Next one, so on and so forth. Last mode's memory, and that's where you just scan a coin or a piece of jewelry or whatever you want, and the device will remember it, and it will only detect similar items after that. Sensitivity will increase the sensitivity or decrease the sensitivity. You got volume if you just tap. And the PP is to scan without moving. So if you want a precise scan, try to find a precise location of something that you found, hold the unit over that spot and then push the PP and it will scan more precisely in just that area. The notch mode is an updated version of jewelry mode. Jewelry mode can only eliminate iron, but notch mode can eliminate any of the 6 types of metal, and can be eliminated out of sequence. For example, to find jewelry with precious metals, remove iron and nickel, and keep aluminum, copper, zinc, and silver. This is great at improving efficiency and accuracy at jewelry searching. The shovel is great for retrieving all the items you find. It's much easier to use than other models I've used in the past. I really enjoy hunting for treasures with this metal detector. Overall, I highly recommend this product.